At Splips, we're building for power users. These are builders who value saving time and having the right tool for the job. So we're leaning into that, and we just launched a bunch of keyboard shortcuts. So I can see everything that I can do via the keyboard here, and we're going to follow the G and then another letter to navigate, and C and then another letter to create. So if we want to create a new account, it'll be C then A. If we want to navigate to contacts or compliance, it'll be G and then the corresponding letter. And then we can also do basic things like send, swap, receive, things like that. So if I were to do Command K and I can say off ramp, it will ask us what account we want to off ramp from. So let's off ramp from our treasury. Go to our checking account. We can complete that whole flow. If we wanted to now navigate to an account, we can say G and then A, and then let's look at our operating account. And if we wanted to send a new payment from here, we can hit N, and now that will pre-fill the operating account as the firm address. We can go back to our dashboard with G and then D. So we have a lot of different shortcuts here. You can also search. What else can you do? There are a lot of actions, right? So if you're on the dashboard page and you're looking to send from an account, the first thing we'll do is we'll ask you what account you want to send from. Or if you want to get your address for a specific account, we could say Command K, copy address, which account, let's do our payroll. And now I've copied that address. So I'll be leaning more into this over time, but this is just one of the ways that we think we can make the product experience a lot faster for these power users.